You know, the part that people never think about is removing all the stuff that's over all the sheetrock and everything before you can really start tearing into a project. You can spend half a day prepping to be able to remove everything. And if you don't do it this way, all you're doing is tearing stuff up that you got to repurchase. So when you take stuff off, you know, one of the hardest things you got to do is store all the parts so that you can put it back together later. A lot of times people try to just throw the nuts and bolts everywhere and you don't have them when you need them. Ziploc bags and some tape to put it onto whatever you took it off of really will help you in the long run. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.